In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a picture to the back in PowerPoint. This skill is especially useful when you want to layer elements in your presentation and create cleaner, more professional-looking slides. Whether you're working on a school project or a business presentation, knowing how to arrange objects properly can make your slides far more visually appealing. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can use either the desktop version or the online version through Microsoft 365. Once PowerPoint is open, locate and open the presentation you want to edit. Your file may be stored locally on your computer or in a cloud storage service like Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive. If your image hasn't been added yet, go to the Insert tab and select Pictures to add one to your slide. After inserting the image, you may notice that it appears on top of your text or other slide elements. If you want the image to act as a background, you'll need to move it behind everything else. To do this, click on the picture you want to move. Right-click the image to open the context menu. Select Send to Back. Once you click this option, the image will automatically move behind the other objects on your slide. This changes the layer order of the objects, allowing your text, shapes, and graphics to appear in front of the image. If you're working with several objects, you can continue arranging them using options like Bring to Front, Send Backward, Bring Forward. For even more control, you can also use the Arrange tools located in the Picture Format tab that appears whenever an image is selected. These tools make it easier to precisely organize multiple overlapping elements on your slide. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to send a picture to the back in PowerPoint. Now you can start creating more polished, layered, and visually engaging presentations using object arrangement and slide design techniques. For more details and official help resources, you can also visit Microsoft PowerPoint Support, PowerPoint Training Center,